sports cars for 2024, 2023 Mazda MX-5 Miata. In the dynamic world of sports cars, few vehicles command the same level of admiration and respect as the Mazda MX-5 Miata. As automotive enthusiasts eagerly anticipate the latest releases for 2024, the 2023 Mazda MX-5 Miata stands out as a timeless icon that continues to captivate drivers with its exhilarating performance and timeless design. Despite being a carryover model from the previous year, the 2023 Mazda MX-5 Miata remains a top contender in the fiercely competitive sports car segment. Boasting a lightweight chassis, balanced handling, and a responsive engine, the MX-5 Miata delivers an engaging driving experience that puts a smile on the face of anyone lucky enough to take the wheel. Under the hood, the MX-5 Miata is powered by a spirited four-cylinder engine, delivering ample power and torque to propel this compact roadster with confidence. Whether navigating twisty mountain roads or cruising along the coastline, the MX-5 Miata offers a dynamic driving experience that's second to none. But it's not just about performance. The MX-5 Miata also delights with its sleek and stylish exterior design, featuring flowing lines, a low-slung profile, and classic proportions that pay homage to its heritage. Inside the cockpit, drivers are greeted by a driver-focused interior adorned with premium materials and modern amenities, creating a comfortable and immersive environment for every journey. While the 2023 Mazda MX-5 Miata may not boast the latest technology or the most powerful engine in its class, it excels where it truly matters, in delivering pure driving pleasure. Its lightweight construction, responsive handling, and open-air driving experience make it a favorite among enthusiasts who value the thrill of the open road above all else. In a market filled with high-performance machines and cutting-edge technology, the 2023 Mazda MX-5 Miata stands out as a reminder of the simple joys of driving. Its timeless appeal and spirited performance ensure that it remains a top choice among the best sports cars for 2024 and beyond. As automotive enthusiasts eagerly await the latest offerings from manufacturers around the world, the 2023 Mazda MX-5 Miata serves as a testament to the enduring allure of the sports car and the joy of driving. With its blend of style, performance, and driving dynamics, it continues to capture the hearts of drivers everywhere, solidifying its status as a true icon in the world of sports cars.